Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile, don't come outside though, come tell us say he don't invest millions and billions of naira for inside the Biafra project so that the enemies wey wan come inside Biafra come buy him people no go fit come. See, he don't send a clear message to his enemy that they are capable to defend themselves. As that one dey happen, they say that the Asari Dokubo again. This man, he don't come outside for this particular video I go show you right now. He said that he go make sure say NnamdiKanu will not come outside from DSS hand. Asari Dokubo talking for this particular video I go play you right now. My people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. Today na the first time wey dey come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you update back to back. Please share this video and make sure say you follow this channel for more updates as e dey hot. Let's jump into the matter wey we get for our hand today. If you never subscribe, quickly do so that you go get our updates back to back. They say that Simon Ekpa, the Prime Minister of Biafra government in exile, he don't come outside for this video come talk say he don't invest heavily for their security. Now people fit come outside today, they thought say they are going their work and doing things in Biafra now with no issue. Say nobody go fit come buy them for inside their land. We'll get message we want send because of this winter, but now to next video we will send the message. But however, I'm going to play the video for you to watch. I will come back. I can continue.
A lot of resources, a lot of time, a lot of sacrifice has made it possible that people in Biafra land today are bragging that nobody can come there and attack and go free. And we are just starting. We have invested in defense of Biafra and we continue to invest. And I want every one of you to understand that when we are being faced with threat of extinction, it requires a lot of resources to make the enemy to understand that you can't come in and kill and go. And that particular message, I believe today, is very, very clear to the enemy that Biafra land is a no-go area. And that's why we are doing many things we are doing, which a lot of people will never understand. It is also the same way when every nation are displaying their military might, their military capability, their defense, capability, is sending message to the enemy that you cannot try us and we will deal with you. So even though we don't have aircraft, we don't have fighter jet, we don't have military tanks and all that, we have ground forces, bigger than Nigeria. We also have men who are more brave, more trained, even more experienced than those Nigeria terrorist army. And I don't need to be saying it because the result is there. So we are also sending messages to those who have been attacking other indigenous people in Nigeria, killing them in masses. 2 days ago, we were watching how they were running from Plateau State, from the community that hosts one of the university there. And people were massacred. And everybody was watching. And what they do, and they have been doing for ages, is to video and be shouting and posting on social media. There is no help. Nobody comes to defend them. And don't forget that we, the Biafra people, were once there. We were once in their shoe. We were once seeing us being massacred, and we make videos and share. We were once being chased away from our own community and our own villages, only for us to share the video. We were once even advocating for people to always video and speak English, so that when we post it out there on social media, the world will know what is going on. We have advocated for that when we were like them. But today, we are no longer doing that. Today, when the criminals and the terrorists come to kill, we have what it takes to defend ourselves. And if they succeed in inflicting any pain to us, we are also in the position to share or not to share, because the capability to defend our land is there. And to those who have sabotaged the Biafra Defense Forces in their different villages, most of them have also paid the price of the sabotage. Because when the enemy come, before we will go there, they may have inflicted number of degrees of damages in their community. And so many of them have repented and have realized their mistake. So there is no sabotage. But knowing our people who they are, and because of what Nigeria have inflicted in their brains, it is never going to end. The sabotage is something that we are going to face till the restoration of Biafra. And that's why when the sabotage comes, I am not very bothered, because it is part of the struggle. It is not just because of Biafra. It is the sabotage is everywhere. There are countries that are sabotaging their own country today. So it is something that have to do with humans, and we can't eradicate it completely. But the good news is that when Biafra become an independent state, we have the solution. We have what it takes to end every sabotage, to make every single person become patriotic citizen. Through government policies, through inclusive governance, through equality, progress, equity, and justice. Nobody will have any reason to go against or feel neglected by the government, like what we see in Nigeria today. The neglect, the marginalization, the inequality is too much.
Come back, my wonderful people, as you have watched that video. The moment that Simon Ekpa make this statement that he has invested a lot in making sure that he secured the Biafra territories. But a lot of comments have risen up, and that is why we bring this video up to talk about them. Some people don't ask questions, say the recently there was a Funani being trooping in Biafra land, and he is, I guess, DSS killing the cows of Funanis, and what is his own position. At a time, they also bring out a video that where they are chasing Funanis as well. But see here, there's Funanis all over Biafra land. Now people are asking, where are the security where those Funanis are trooping in Biafra land? But however, this question has been asked, so it's less for them to see and to answer it as well. However, let's jump into this matter concerning Asari Dokubo. Wetin he talk concerning the leader of NnamdiKanu. I'm going to play this video for you to watch and hear what in this 70-year-old man they talk for your own mouth.
Time I check, Anambra also has oil. Who is in charge of those oil? Why are you so particular about the oil that we have in Ijaw land? Why are you not talking about your own? Why are you not in charge of the oil in your land? Okwa. Why are you not in charge of the oil in Okwa? Why are you not in charge of the oil in Uguta? Why are you not in charge of the oil in Anioma? In Ndokwa? Why are you not in charge of the oil? Why are you bothered about the oil in Kalawa land, the oil in this thing? For your information, there is no Hausa man that's in charge of any oil field in Kalawa land. All the oil fields in Kalawa land are controlled by either Kalawari people or other Southerners. I will not talk of other places. I'm talking of my place. Belema oil is owned by 10 Jackeries. It's an Ijaw man. It's a Kalawari man. And NPC is in charge of OML 18. OML 25. Nobody is in charge of it for now. Belema oil had been in partial control of OML 25. New Cross is in charge of the other OML. Sokofield, there are people, no Northerner is in charge of oil in Calabar land, any oil field in Calabar land. That's where I come from. So I do my own work. I fight for my people. So when you talk of who is in charge of this oil field, start asking yourself, who is in charge of the oil field, OML 11, that goes from this thing to Okwa. Who is in charge of it? Okwa West, Okwa East, and etc., etc. Who is in charge of it? Or who are in charge of the oil field in Oaza, in Oguta, and all this? Who are the people in charge of it? Who has those oil licenses in Igbo land? Before you start to talk without knowledge, you do nothing. Everything about your life is cheating. Everything about your life is cheating. You continue to make noise and make life difficult for other people. I traveled with an Igbo man to China. And look at what he said. This Igbo man was telling me that he was in South Africa. You people came to South Africa. You spoiled the place. He left South Africa and came to China. And you people are in China. There are so many Igbo people who are enduring. Good and nice Igbo people who are enduring because of this lousiness of you people. The 419, the corruption, anything goes of you people. He met me and said, my brother. And then he's in China. You people have come again. You have come again. You are spoiling business for good people. You are spoiling. If you lie, believe the truth. If you lie, don't believe it. You are spoiling business for good people. There are good, hard-working Igbos. My great ancestor, Idiaba, left his place, came to Kalawari in the 18th century and was successful, honestly. And he has imbibed that honesty in me. And as the head of his house today, I work honestly. I go all over the world. I am one of the most traveled men on the surface of the earth. This is my 77th country that I have traveled to. I travel always. Because I go and see what is happening in other realms. I see what we cannot achieve. And I try to bring it to my community, replicate it in my community. And God has blessed me immensely. But for every little thing I do, God turns it into diamond. It is not, how will I hate Igbos? But I must tell you the truth. If you are the bad Igbo man, I hate you. There's nothing you can do about it. You are the bad Igbo man, I hate you. You bring a thief, a criminal like Obi, I hate him because I know he's 419. I know he's a criminal. So I will not support him. If you, or wherever NnamdiKanu comes, I will fight. I told him I will smoke him out. This is not government. See, I say things before they happen. I say things before they happen. I did not. For over 2 years, I haunted him. I told him, I said, I will haunt you. I will smoke you out. I told him 2 years before his arrest that is what I'm going to do to him. And it happened to him. He's crying, bah, 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 bah. He's denying you people. I don't sit, I don't go and hide and do things. I tell you in advance what I'm going to do to you. Because I know by the grace of God, I'm capable of doing it to you. So stay off my lane. Day a day, make a day my day. Nobody will worry nobody. I will not worry you. You too should not worry me. But as long as you take it upon yourself to enter my lane, to worry me, you go carry termite wood, they go house. Because I'm going to worry you. Going to worry real big. Real hard. I made Diabali. You know Diabali? That small, tiny, between dog and cat, animal, that in the night that prey on other animals in the night. Save it. Save it. I'm going to prey on you. And I'm going to get you. There's no doubt about that. I tell you, you don't know my name. Sinya Tolu, Legibo Gelebo Nengi, Boli Abere, Njibrobro Kasaborwa. I am the man of my name. We're here. And every honest Igbo man you meet, they can't say it openly like I am saying it. But they complain. If you go to Europe, they complain.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back. But this is a question to Asari Dokubo. He claimed that there's a part in this video where he said that the oil well in the Karabari that is owned by Igbo people. I was like, what this man is even saying? But however, they say that a fool at 60 he will remain a fool forever. You understand? It's not a cause, but I'm just making a parable. Asari Dokubo is old, but he have a long way to go in terms of reason. He have a long way to go. When I see that man, you know, most of all these things that happen, most of you will say, don't bring this person here, don't talk about this person. Oh, you don't have any fucking right to tell me what to say in my channel. If you don't like it, skip it and go, or you can share it as well. But let me tell you, the importance of you watching and knowing things that happening is for history purpose. Because tomorrow, Asari Dokubo's son will come outside and become the president of Biafra. Do you know that? Then, if you don't have any knowledge of what his father have done, how are you going to tell the story of their past story of their lineage? You cannot tell the story. Or how are you going to pass the story to your own children of what happened, what Asari Dokubo rode, he prayed through the arrest of NnamdiKanu. So for you people that come here to tell me what to post or what to don't post in my channel, get yourself out of this channel. I beg of you, please. Share, my good people, and follow for more updates.